Want to prevent shedding, stimulate blood circulation to your scalp, and grow longer, stronger, thicker hair? 2 words, onion juice. In this video, I will show you how I make my onion juice 2 ways, using the boiling method and the blending method. I'll show you how I use onion juice on my hair to promote hair growth and prevent shedding. Jumping right into the ingredients, you'll need 1 onion, preferably a yellow onion because it contains a higher concentration of sulfur compared to other onion varieties. It's also said to have a milder aroma. Second, you'll need 3 to 4 garlic cloves. Third, if you're concerned about scent, a few drops of peppermint, rosemary, or lavender essential oil will help you curb the pungent scent of this onion juice. Diving into the benefits of this onion juice is nutrient rich. Onions and garlic contain vitamin C, B6, folate, and minerals like sulfur, which are believed to promote hair growth and improve overall hair health. This onion juice also contains compounds that help stimulate your hair follicles and increase collagen production, which help with stimulating new growth and maintaining healthy hair. This juice also improves blood circulation to the hair follicles, ensuring that the hair follicles receive an adequate supply of nutrients and oxygen, which is crucial for hair growth. Onion juice has antimicrobial properties, which may help combat scalp infections and dandruff. Remember, a healthy scalp is essential for promoting hair growth. Onion juice also strengthens your hair. The sulfur compounds found in onion juice and garlic may help strengthen the hair strands, preventing breakage and promoting overall hair health. Finally, this onion juice acts as a natural hair conditioner, basically providing moisture to the hair and making it smoother and shinier. Starting with the boiling method, chop your onion into smaller pieces. They don't have to be super small. Chop your garlic cloves and let everything sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This enables the compounds and enzymes to fully develop so that you can get the full benefits of nutrients in the garlic and onion. Then you'll add 2 cups of water to a pot. If you want to get fancy, you can use distilled or bottled water, but tap water works just fine. Add your chopped onions and garlic to the pot. Turn the stove on to medium heat. Once it starts boiling, allow the onion and garlic mix to continue boiling for 5 to 7 more minutes. Then allow it to cool down. Once it's cooled, strain and then pour the juice into your applicator bottle. If you're adding essential oils, you would do it right here at this point. On to the blending method. Again, chop your onion, throw it into the blender, throw your garlic in there too, add a little water. I used about a half a cup. Then blend until you have a puree. Next, you'll need some cheesecloth to strain the onion and garlic particles because you don't want the onion and garlic particles stuck in your hair. So this is my process. I pour the puree into the cheesecloth and I gently squeeze to release the juice. This is what should be left behind. I do this process twice to ensure all I have is juice. I repeat the whole process because, like I said, you don't want any of these particles in your hair. Finally, pour your juice into the applicator bottle and then add your essential oil if you want to. The application process is simple. Apply the juice directly to your scalp and hair, throw on a processing cap, and sit under a hooded dryer or use a heating cap so that the juice penetrates your hair and scalp. I like to sit under my heating tool for 20 to 30 minutes. If you don't have a heating tool, place a scarf and bond it over the processing cap so that heat can generate, and then let that sit for about 45 minutes in your hair. After that, wash, condition, and style as usual. I got amazing results doing this weekly on my wash day, so I recommend doing this as often as possible on your wash day. That's all I have for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.